Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to easily go to the next line in this Chatgpt chat. It's super simple, so let's dive right in. Alright, so let's say you're typing a message, like hello. When you press enter, it usually sends the message, right? But what if you want to go down a line without sending the message? Here's the trick. Just type your message as usual, and instead of hitting enter, hold down the shift key and then press enter. Now, take a look. By holding shift and pressing enter, you can see that it indents the line, allowing you to continue typing without sending the message. This is a handy feature if you want to format your text or add some space between your lines. For example, you can type your message, hold shift, press enter, and continue typing without the message being sent. It gives you more control over the formatting of your text in the chat. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.